Hello student, today I am going to start the first chapter of the first volume. Here 1 week I have not taught to you because I was not well. I am completely well. So I am going to start the first chapter. First chapter, this is the sets. For this chapter I suppose you have some part of set you have studied in the lower classes in the 6th, 7th, 8th. That you will study here because it is not given in the CBSE in the lower classes. So who is the student of CBSE, they are studying set directly in the class 11th. Only it is given in the ICSE in the lower classes. So what is the sets? Set is a collection of well-defined object. So what should be clear to you? Well-defined should be clear to you. If I am saying number of students who have got more than 80, this maximum mark is 100. So more than 80 in your class, you can count this. You can count how many students have got more than 80. More than 80 कितने बच्चे पाए हैं तो हम काउंट कर लेंगे. That will be from 80 to 100. Who have got between 81 to 100, that number of student is countable. Clear? Here it is well defined. If I am saying कि find the 10 intelligent student of your class. Intelligent I am saying, but I am not defining in which sense intelligence you will check that. Intelligence in study, intelligence in the for a particular subject, intelligence in the drawing, intelligence in the game. In which sense I am not. The intelligence is not clear here. So it is not the well defined. This is clear. Here all color are rainbow, all state of India, all river of India, the prime numbers between 1 to 100, all are the element of the sets. Of which is not clear, that well defined is not clear for that, that is not the set. Clear? Then not well defined, the second page is given. Intelligence, all big cities of India, big in city in the area, yeah, big in the population, yeah, in sense it is not clear. All beautiful girls of India, 5 most renowned scientists of the world, renowned scientists in physics or in chemistry or in which field they are renowned. It is not clear here. So it is not the sets. Or representation of set. How can you represent the set? Set you can represent in the roster or tabular form. Roster और tabular form एक ही होता है. और set builder form, दो form. और एक डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है, वो जरूरत नहीं है, but I will explain this. So set builder form and roster form. So what is the roster form? Roster form or tabular form. रोस्टर और टेबलर, जैसे सेट ए है, मान लो नंबर ऑफ इवन नंबर्स 2, 4, 6, 8 एंड सो ऑन. Number of even number, but that should be less than 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the less than 10. So this is the in the table it is given, or then it is known as the roster form or tabular form. Then set of the all vowels, the A, E, I, O, U. This is clear. Here number of month which having less than 31 days. तो 31 डेज किसके किसके पास, 31 से कम डेज कहाँ कहाँ होता है? फरवरी, अप्रैल, जून, सितंबर एंड नवंबर. फिर कोई मान लो शहर है, गोरखपुरी है, अब इससे जो सेट बनेगा वो क्या होगा? तो ए लिख देंगे, ए जी ओ. R two times but only one time will write. R P K H. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. U 8. R is coming two times, one time we have written. So there is the 8 alphabets. Here counted it 9, but here we write the 8. Which number alphabets are repeated, that you will not write. If digits are repeated, that you will not write. Only one time you write. Clear? Now set builder form. Set builder form. This is part of description method. इसे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखना है कि सेट ए कोई है, हमने ऐसे लिख दिया. डिस्क्रिप्शन की बात मैं कर रहा हूं कि ऑल वॉवेल ऑफ द इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट, तुमने ऐसे लिख दिया, सीधे डिस्क्रिप्शन हो गया. इवन नंबर्स लेस देन 10, डिस्क्रिप्शन हो गया. अब सेट में इसको क्या लिखेंगे? ऐसे, या सच दैट. इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं? सच दैट. X is an even number less than 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the description method. Clear? मान लो कोई भी चीज है, X such that X is a prime number. Clear? You will see here it will be infinite set or it will be finite set. After that I will explain what is the finite and what is infinite. But first you will see how to write the descript or set builder form. और इसको टेबलर अगर इसको लिखना है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा टेबलर फॉर्म में? 2, 4, 6, 8. दिस इज a टेबलर फॉर्म. और प्राइम नंबर को टेबलर में लिखना है तो 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 in this way. Clear? Here number of elements are counted, finite set, or number of element is not counted, infinite set. This is the, by this way you can write the set builder form. By this way you can write the set builder form. Or this is the tabular form of this set builder form. This is the tabular form of this set builder form. Okay. Kind of sets. So kind of sets we will study here. Empty set. empty set. There is no element in the set. If no element in the set, that is known as the empty set. A, इसको लिखने का तरीका क्या है? This is the notation of empty set. Or you can write in this way. Clear? Singleton set. Second, what is a singleton set? If any set contain only one element, then it is known as the singleton set. इस सेट में के लिए कितने एलिमेंट है? केवल एक है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? सिंगलटन सेट. B, 2 I have written singleton set, only one element. if अगर एक से अधिक एलिमेंट होगा तो दिस इज नॉट द सिंगलटन सेट. Now it is clear? The set which contain only one element, that is known as the singleton set. So here C set X such that X is capital of UP. तो कैपिटल ऑफ यूपी, यूपी के कितने कैपिटल? एक ही है, लखनऊ है. तो इट इज द what will be this singleton set, or this set builder form, or this is written in the tabular form. Now finite set and infinite set. If the number of elements in the set is countable, then that set is known as the finite set. किसी भी सेट में नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट को अगर हम काउंट कर सकते हैं तो उसको हम फाइनाइट सेट बोलते हैं. क्लियर? इफ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इज नॉट काउंटेड, देन दैट सेट इज नोन एज द इनफाइनाइट सेट. जैसे मान लो कोई है, इसमें 2 4 5 7, दिस इज द, कितने एलिमेंट है इसमें? 4. तो ये फाइनाइट सेट हो गया. A, E, I, O, U. This is the finite set. Or infinite set, the number of element is not countable. मतलब वो काउंटेबल नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा. तो सेट कोई है तो हमने लिख दिया इवन नंबर्स. तो 2 4 6 8 10 12 and so on. So this is the infinite set. Number of element, number of even numbers. You can say set of even number. This description form हम लिखना चाहते हैं, sorry, set builder form, x such that x is even number. ये हो गया, इसका टेबुलर फॉर्म हो गया और ये सेट बुल्डर फॉर्म. इट इज इनफाइनाइट सेट. So after that you will see the cardinal numbers. What is the cardinal number? The cardinal number of this set, cardinal number of set A represented by this n of A. Number of element in set A is known as the cardinal number of set A. Or cardinal number of this set is 4. Cardinal number of this set is 5. Or here cardinal number is infinite, not countable. Clear? If only one, if any set is empty set, मान लो ये empty set, तो इसका cardinal number क्या हो जाएगा? 0. कोई एलिमेंट यहाँ नहीं तो 0 हो जाएगा. This is clear? Here natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, real number, irrational, positive, rational. I suppose you know about it. No need to explain. You will see. Here see the exercise. All are very simple question. Here first exercise, a collection of popular cinema actors of India. The collection of even natural number less than 51. All are given. You will find which one is set, which one is the not set. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Here, or it is known as the A belongs to कैपिटल सेट ए. मान लो सेट बी है, ये कोई एलिमेंट है, A belongs to. We study this belongs to. Here A is given 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Clear? Then write which of the following statement are true. If statement is not true, mention why. 3 belongs to A. सही है. 3 इसमें belong कर, पहला सही है. 5 and 9, we can't say this is correct because we write in the form of the set. ऐसे लिखेंगे. Clear? Okay. Now see, 3 belongs to A, 5 and 9. This is belonging to A. 8 does not belongs to A. It is also true. 9 does not belongs to A. It is false because it is belonging here. This is the another set. ये set होता है. ये इस पे exist नहीं कर रहा है. ये set इसके subsets है. Subsets पढ़ोगे तो आएगा. This is not belonging to ये A. ये गलत है. This is wrong. 5 and 7 ये भी गलत है. 5 and 7 belongs to A. It is also wrong. Now question number 3. You will see some question of this. Question number third. Set मान लो कोई है x such that x is a prime number. X belongs to natural number and x is a prime factor of 84. 84 का प्राइम फैक्टर्स लिखना है, तो उसको फैक्टराइज कर दो. 84, 242, 221, 37. So prime factors will be 2, 3, 7. Here 2 is coming 2 times, but you write the only one time. Already I have explained. In this set we are writing only one times. Clear? Just like 9th set B, you suppose x such that x belongs to integer -1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. ये इंटीजर है. -1 by 2 से बड़ा इंटीजर कौन सा होगा? 0 होगा, फिर 1 होगा, 2 होगा, 3 होगा, और दिस विल बिकम 4.5. तो 4 तक लेंगे. लेस देन 4.5 अप टू 4 और ग्रेटर देन -1 by 2 हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? 0 से स्टार्ट होगा. दिस इज व्हाट इज द कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ बी. मान लो कार्डिनल नंबर लिखना है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इसका कार्डिनल नंबर कितना होगा? 3 होगा. इट इज क्लियर? So Today we will try this exercise. This is very simple exercise. Already you have studied the lower classes. So I suppose you will try. If you are getting any problem, you can ask. All type of question already I have explained here. Question number 4 is given. Question number 4, second you see. Any set is given. 2, 4, 6, 8. ये तो हमने बताया भी पहले भी. X such that X is an even number. This sixth part. 7. Another set B you suppose. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. Is it clear? Yes. Now write in the set builder form. You can write in the set builder form X such that X equal to, this is the square of the natural numbers. N square, N belongs to natural number. Correct? Here you will see, और इसका कौन सा पार्ट, आठवां पार्ट, ये सेट है 1/2, 2/3, 3/4 and so on. Then you can write X such that X equal to, देखो जो भी नंबर है उससे डिनोमिनेटर में +1 है, 2 है तो 2 + 1, और 1 नेचुरल नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है, 1 से. नाउ दिस विल बी n upon n + 1, n belongs to नेचुरल. आ गया समझ में? आई सपोज इट इज क्लियर. ओके. Here question number 7. Find a cardinal number of this. पहले का cardinal number क्या होगा? Cardinal number suppose set A, set मान लिया करो. तो cardinal number of set A will be 0. दूसरा जो है ये B है, इसमें 0 एलिमेंट है, मतलब एक एलिमेंट है वो 0 है. तो cardinal number of B will be 1. 0 is the element. फिर थर्ड है, C कर दिए इसको, 1, 2, 2 बार 2 है, 1, 3. You write in the proper way 1, 2, 3. तो cardinal number of this set is 3. यहाँ दिया है the set of all Indian having 8 legs. 8 legs तो किसी इंडियन के पास नहीं होता है. तो cardinal number of this set is empty. Clear? Or other part you will try. Okay? You will try up to the 11. In which question you have problem, you can ask today and tomorrow. You are getting time to solve this exercise. Today and tomorrow, the next class I will take on the Monday. You can ask your doubt.